This one's new, guys. This was also actually a solid, but let me show you guys the quality in this thing. A really, really good deal. Nitrous carbide from the Milwaukee. Comparison on this one. All right, we got the Black Friday gift center. This is the holiday gift center for Home Depot. So this is the big section where they got all these deals, hand tools, and pretty much organizers, all sorts of stuff. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. If there's any affiliate links, I'll leave them down below in the description section of this video for all these products that we're going to be showing today. And that really does help out the channel and no additional cost to you. So let's go ahead and start. Yes, it's back from last year. This is the DeWalt organizer for $12.88. This is the very, very inexpensive. And it is, yeah, it has shrunk a little bit, but yeah, definitely check it out. This one's a good one. It will sell out. I already posted a video online as soon as it dropped, and make sure you guys double check that one. Double check the link, see if it actually is available online, because they do sell out very quick. As you guys know, there's only four or five left here out of this whole big section. You got $14.97 for the polyurethane air hose. This is a lightweight design, so yeah, it's not gonna be the heaviest duty, but for those of you that work upstairs, then that's a plus. 12.90. This is actually a pretty good deal for a 3-pack. The 10-inch tool bags. If you guys got different items, you guys need a. If you guys got rental properties or for the house, $14.97 just to have an extra one. These are great locks, pretty solid, and every year they have them. And then you got the lay flat hybrid air hose. This is going to be your heavier duty. This is going to be for somewhere where you pretty much use it on the first floor, not the second floor. 1988 for the 600 lumen compact rechargeable inspection light. This one's new, guys. This was actually new to the Black Friday deals. This is 600 lumen, 5 modes. There are the buttons right there. They're rubber, and you push on them, and pretty much you get the nice big light or bright light, very bright there for compact. And you do get a power cord USB, obviously, does charge, rechargeable. It's weather resistant, and it does have a nice clip on the back, so you can put it on your pocket, clip it to your belt, whatever. All right, next one down, 1997, your choice. 1850 lumen dual power angle headlamp or 1200 lumen dual power flashlight. All right, so this is the flashlight. 1200 lumen, that's a lot, guys. 6 modes, weather resistant. It is dual power, so it does come with AAA batteries, or you can power it with AAA batteries or the charger. Same thing with this headlamp here. It is dual powered. And check this out. This one's new too. 1988 for the 500 lumen 3-in-1 rechargeable light and power bank. So this is both a 2-in-1 basically. It's a 500 lumen, 5 modes, magnetic, and you are able to stand this. And you can use this as a power bank for a cell phone or whatever you have to use on emergency situations like camping and stuff. $988 for the torpedo level and the 24 I-beam level 2-pack. $14.88 for the tape measures. As you guys do see right there, pretty easy to see. Really like the black with the green contrast. All right, $29.97. Your choice of any of these. These are all Black Friday deals for the smaller USB lights or USB lithium that they call it. You got the 2-pack of batteries there. You got a screwdriver, magnifying kit, laser, flashlight. All right, let's start with the 2-pack. These are the batteries. These are USB rechargeables, and you are able to charge them with this charger. This is a 3-bay charger. You got a fan. This is a clamp fan right here. You guys could use that. It does come with 1 battery. And you got this light. This is a 300 lumen light USB rechargeable, and obviously this is a magnifying with the light. It does come with the battery, and then you got the pivoting laser flashlight kit, and then this is the screwdriver kit, pretty much. All right, $29.97 and $24.97 for the clamp fan. $29.97 for the ones on the right, which are clamp lights, magnifying, hot glue gun, and of course this 900 lumen flashlight clamp light. You got the clamp magnifying glass there if you guys like to work on smaller projects, and same thing with that glue gun there on the left. All right, they got this 3-pack, guys. This is actually a pretty nice kit. Does come to around 140, 150 bucks for all 3. So definitely check this one. It's great value if you guys like Ryobi. If you guys are into the Ryobi platform, you guys like the color. Period. That's pretty much. It's actually pretty decent box. Not a professional level. I guess you can use it as a professional, but mostly hardcore DIY. You got 3988 and 1988 for these nitrous carbide from the Milwaukees. All right, so 1988 on this one, reciprocating saw blade, 7-piece. You get a torch for free. This is a nitrous carbide blade made in the USA. And then this one on the left, you do get this one's a magnetic tray for the pack out. And then you got some oscillating blades, 3988 for this one. This was an 80-piece. You do get some bimetal, extreme metal, or wood. So just depending on what you're cutting, you got a really small compact case. I really like that. Looks like it's compatible with the pack out. So all the details are on the back. 2488 and 1288 for these levels. You got an I-beam with the compact box level. That's the torpedo style or smaller. And then this one's a little harder to see, but it's still pretty decent. I mean, if pretty good price. All right, just a quick comparison on this one. They got the Black Friday buy more save more. So spend $3.99 save $150. Spend $2.99 save $90. Spend $1.99 save $50. This 3-piece comes down to around $130 something. So still worth it. Still a great deal, guys. Definitely check it out. It's already selling out as we speak. As you guys do see, there's none left on this section. This is a big section, and they're already sold out basically. So as soon as you guys see them online, because I will be posting the links, as soon as you guys see them online, make sure you guys buy them because they will sell out. All right, talking about some more good stuff. We got 1997, your choice here on this one. I use the ones on the right, the performance glasses. These are the ones that I use, especially for the winter. You know, get that fog. You don't want to get that fog inside, especially when you got all your equipment on. $49.88 for the pack out tool station. Now this is a pretty nice item. Does come with the plate on the back. You are able to stick a couple drills in here, maybe a charger or batteries on top. You can screw that on the back of your trailer if you got an enclosed trailer, or if you got a big toolbox or something for the garage, whatever you want to put it on. All right, so this is the big gift center. That was just like a side center basically. Well, not a side, but you know, the middle part. All right, so they got a whole bunch of these, guys. These are $9.97. There's tie downs. We'll go over this in just a second, but they did have. I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of what it looks like in the stores. We got a whole bunch. I mean, a whole bunch to go over. I've been putting out videos. Make sure you guys check out my DeWalt's, my Milwaukee, my Makita, and I got all those videos already out on my channel. Make sure you guys check them out. Also, stay subscribed, because when those glitches and deals drop, yes, I mean glitches. I just posted glitches for the pack out. This was the Milwaukee pack out. People were getting boxes for like 20 bucks. Anyways, if you guys got a kit for plumbing, electricians, all sorts of kits, you know, for woodworking, you can get one of these bags and put every tool separated in every bag. And now you have a plumbing kit. You got an electrician's kit. $34.97 for the 11-piece half-inch drive. These are solid, guys. Definitely check it out. I really like their organizer. Great, very handy. Just grab it and go, basically. SAE and metric are available. $7.88 for the 6-piece impact socket adapter. Now these are with your impact driver, and if you guys do mechanic work or lags or whatever you guys do, smaller lags, it is 1/2 inch, 3/8, a 1/4 inch, compatible with sockets and different sizes. All right, $49.88 for a 110-piece homeowner's toolkit. Now this one it's pretty much it's a great gift. Somebody moving out of the house, a child, a daughter, son, whatever. This is a hammer. It does have all the basic tools, pliers, all that stuff. $169 for a 190-piece 3-drawer. Now this one's a mechanics, more detailed mechanics tool set. Pretty much all you're gonna need for just some regular, you know, maintenance on the vehicle, maybe suspension work and stuff like that. All-inclusive kit, pretty solid. So $49.97 for this 94-piece mechanics tool set. It's a smaller one, so it's a great gift, like for the teenager, first car, to keep his car. Same thing with this one, extension, 19-piece extension, $24.97. This one, I can't tell you guys enough how great these things are. To have, I don't have these personally, but to have a kit like this, with all these extensions and universal bits, yeah. $9.97 for the 3-piece folding hex key set. And then you got another hex key set on the right. I'll show you guys that in a second, but let me show you guys the quality in this thing. It does give you the sizes right there, the T's and all the sizes you're gonna need. Same thing with these. I do prefer the other ones, color coded. My preference. This is a 26-piece long arm. You got the $13.97 2-piece groove joint pliers. Now I do have these. I've used them and they work. It does have nice rubber grips. I mean, not the most comfortable, but they do work. 10-inch and 12-inch, and they work perfectly. All right, $13.97 for the 3-piece adjustable wrench and 3-piece locking plier set. Now these are pretty much bare minimum. They don't have any rubber grips or anything, but they work. They does have adjustable wrenches, and then they got the locking pliers there, which they work. I mean, they work fine. I still use them, and they got them for last year. $14.97 for the 3-pack of folding lockback utility knives. So this is a texture grip. It's fastback style like the Milwaukee. Do apologize for this. I'm getting text messages. $12.88 for the 10-piece high-speed spade bit set and the 12-piece jigsaw blade set for the Diablo. So these are pretty nice. These are definitely something you want to get if you guys got these tools for these blades, and they do come in wood and belt and nailed and belt and metal. And this is the 10-piece with the pouch. Pretty good deal. $49.97 for the 2-pack of 40-tooth 10-inch or 80-tooth ultra finish saw blade. So those are a pretty good deal. Those are really expensive, so make sure you guys pick up a few. Guys, this is a really, really good deal. $29.88 for a 5-piece and a reciprocating saw blade set. I personally going to pick up this one. I did forget to pick up this one, but I will pick it up. This is a killer deal. This is actually one of the better blades out there, even better than Milwaukee, personally. This is the 5-piece general purpose blades. You got clean wood, nailed and belt, wood and metal. So clean wood, dirty wood, and pretty much straight metal blades. So you got all you need. Really nice case. You guys could fit more blades in there. You got $12.88. You got framing saw blades, 7 1/4 2-pack or 6 1/2 2-packs. Whatever you need, stock up on those. If you guys doing a lot of framing, make sure you guys get yourself a nice for the whole year. $49.98 for these knee pads. These are solid. They do come with a nice support, big support on the top of the leg. You got $39.97. My bad. 10-piece combination wrenches with a nice organizer. You got Byte 10-piece combination wrenches, 45% more applicable torque, and it is a 6-sided closed box end wrench. You got $19.97 for these Byte rounded head on the bottom, and then you got $19.97 for the 10-piece impact nut driver set. Now this one's very, very different with what we've seen before. So this one, you are able to grab these and stick them on your impact driver, as they are impact driver ready, and plus you can use this with the regular handle that it comes with. $14.88 for the DeWalt trucker hat, $17.88 for the men's long sleeve tee, and then $29.88 for the men's quarter zip. These are really nice, especially the zip. That's my favorite. Nice trucker hats. You got some nice t-shirts here, or shirts. If you don't want to show so much of the DeWalt, it's a very discreet, or darker lettering, and then you got the yellow lettering there with the black. But these are pretty nice. My personal favorite on this one, on this type of clothing. All right, you got $89 for the folding portable workbench. This is a 33. This came back from last year. These are solid. I believe some of you already did a video on these, and They're really, really solid. You got 5988. This is a vacuum. This is the Bridget, pretty much a tank. These things will survive pretty much a nuclear attack. It is a tank. That's what it is. These will survive. So NXT, these you can put them outside and the back of your truck and tie them down. As long as nobody takes them, they'll survive. 149. This is a killer deal for this build out Husky modular storage system. The 3-piece is probably going to be the best bang for your buck. These are solid for DIYs. Quick comparison with the DeWalt's. This is $199, $50 more. Of course, you're going to get some thicker, some better plastics. And all right, so in this one, you got the double bevel miter saw. This one's $399. This is a DWS 780, or actually 779. I thought it was a 780. You got a 1488 this is a battery daddy flashlight. It does hold a lot of batteries in there, so it's pretty much like an emergency kit. It does include a battery tester inside. You guys can store all these batteries in there, and flashlight combo. 232 piece mechanics tool set, hand tool set from the gear wrench. This is also actually a solid tool set. My favorite on the whole store, basically. Does include combination. I don't know if these are actually ratcheting wrenches, but they look like ratcheting wrenches to me. But if they're not, they're still pretty solid. There's a lot of wrenches there, a lot of sockets and bits. $59.88 for the everyday belt kit. Let us know in the comment section if you guys got any of these tools, especially the mechanics tools that I'm interested in buying something like that. You got firm grip on this one, lifetime warranty. So pretty nice belt clip there for the tools. Another flashlight here. This is a hybrid powered floating flashlight, rechargeable. 2500 lumen, $29.88. Pretty good value for your money here on this one. All right, you got some more Husky 18-piece continuous drive ratcheting wrench screwdriver, $11.97. Folding lockback utility knife, $7.97. Lots of bits included on this one, and they are stored in the handle as well. Got some ratcheting wrench action here on this one. All right, next one down. You got the backpack, $39.90. A very, very inexpensive 16-inch tool backpack. You guys can store all your tools in there. Nice padding there for the back. Pretty decent actually for what it's, for the value. Got some nice plastic on the bottom. Lots of pockets. It is kind of a little bit on the smaller side. I've seen better quality, but still for the price. If you guys got rental properties, or if you guys got older stuff that you want to switch out, these are great. They work. They're not smart devices, but they do work great. You got the crescents. You got the adjustables, the adjustable pliers, and self-adjusting. $16.97. Guys, that's it for today. These are all great deals. Black Friday deals, holiday deals, gift center, Home Depot. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit the like, hit the bell, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. When I post those deals, guys, those glitches, they sell out in sometimes minutes, hours, days. I can't tell you. As long as Home Depot or Lowe's, whoever finds out about those glitches, they fix them and nobody gets them anymore. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. As soon as those deals drop. Anyways, I'll leave you guys and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.